Hello fellow RV geekers. Today we're at the silo. Yes, the Chip and Joanna Gaines thing. Yes, with the silo in Waco, Texas. Check out this beautiful magnolia tree. The magnolia is called the Silo District here in Waco. We'll show you a couple things and tell you what it's all about. So stay with us. Sorry, Olaf and Coco, you can't go on the lawn. And I see why. This is very nice. I lived in Waco in the early 90s and before this place even came to fruition, and I remember this place having 2 silos and nothing else. It was kind of distressed and run down, but here we are 30 years later, over 30 years later. I'm just basically in awe of how much Chip and Joanna has put into this place and how much it's become, and it's really a good thing for the city of Waco. Coco and Olaf like to people watch, especially when Mama comes around. We'll be back with our video in just a minute, but I got a question for those of you who don't own an RV. Have you ever thought about RV travel but don't want the hassle of buying or the commitment of buying? Well, I may have a solution for you. A lot of my viewers want to try the RV lifestyle first, but they feel kind of overwhelmed because they've never owned or rented one before. And that's why I created the RV Starter Rental Kit for newbies. My RV Rental Starter Kit for newbies helps you experience RV travel without stress, guesswork, or expensive mistakes. Now, this is not just an ordinary ebook, this is a complete kit. In my kit, you get 3 items. The first is an RV rental guide for newbies. I'm a retired teacher, and I've broken down all these confusing steps into one easy guide. Next, you'll get my RV setup and teardown checklist. RV setup and teardown is a process, and you have this easy checklist to help you through the entire process. A checklist is the best way to set up and tear down an RV to make sure you don't miss anything. And then finally, you'll get my Simple RV Recipes Cookbook. This cookbook contains the recipes that Maggie and I have used over the years in our RV, which only a stovetop and a microwave. And for a limited time, this kit is entirely free and yours to download. Go to newbies.rvgeeky.com to download your copy today. And let me help you start your first RV trip the right way. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Oh my gosh, look at this. Over here. Here we go. What have we gotten ourselves into? Holy moly. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Maggie has got the chocolate covered cup of mini donuts. I got a vanilla shake with a mini donut in it, and we're going to try it out. Cheers. How is it? Pretty good? I'll have one.
They're nice and warm.
Oh man, those are good. Very good. Okay, and we'll try out my shake. If I can do this. Hold that. Try out the shake with the donut in it, a vanilla shake. Oh man, I can just taste the calories in this one. Excellent. Yeah, during the early 1990s, during the whole Branch Davidian thing and all that, the town kind of had a bad reputation. In fact, they nicknamed it Waco when I was here. And but now, thanks to Chip and Joanne, they have totally turned that around. This place attracts visitors every year. Waco is out at a whole new different level. And just with a snap of a finger, I am here in Iowa. Yes, what happened? Well, I ran out of storage space on my camera right in the middle of filming the video of the silo. So my apologies, but this is the part where I tell you to be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll have more videos coming up. In fact, we're working on a video right now here in Iowa that's coming up in a few weeks for you. So again, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you later on down the road.